mazima n'abashimirwa kandi mbagunda muno erizoba tiriaza munjura tiriaza muchityaza mukavuyo because it was a blessed day. So we are here to launch tuyonteenda kulaunchinga Nikirikembo live in concert nyina Ajib Motel ebiro bitano byo kwakana mu mwaka 2025 ogwenyino kuturuma izoberi twaritekaho because ya habiri hari abantu binji bakujya mu konkahonda Nikiri are serious ninga nabe. So that's why we decided that the category launch to confirm people that show eriyo kaneje no measure. Nyina beshongozi binje rizoba nyine Prince Exit no mureba ariaha tweshongura ekeshongoro challenge nyine bayeye omusinzi nyine Simba Jike nindaba no iza yatahamu nyine Pretty Imark na ngugwe na wabyo na Aisha twine Martinwe is coming twine nyina Jovan na waliyo na Aisha abeshongozi bingi munonga de ameni no makonka byabeshongozi no mwa mwe no beta bacherirwa they are not time conscious. So erizoba ni izoba runji we are blessed. We are here to welcome our first sponsor Tim Bakery Feel the Taste ogunwa banze kurugaya kajati nyoni kiri. I'm ready and 100% ready to support you because he is in true love with the industry of Western Uganda. Twagaruka twafuna promoter dijo County Cinema no kugira ngo CEO Takachiraha, but he is in touch with us. We have drinking water. Ekansalamon in watch kuri lecho. So now he's coming on. But we have a lot of they are coming. A lot are coming in. We have a lot of people coming. We have a lot of companies coming in. So we are here to take ekintu eki omatugabantu babase kutuma babase kutura kandi babase kumangutu serious show eruho ebiro bitano byo kwakana Ajib Motel okufitamu no mutwaro VIP ne mitware ebiri twinemeza emitwaro 50 nane ya 1 million aho kubasa no kwata. So I humbly welcome you all. Thanks for coming and thanks for representing. Thank you so much.
Materenga zamani Nikirikembo kandebi tata tujireka shako kubugamba turabugambe zakuno obuza wandikirikirista bakireba bino byaddala nese nga twegatta tukata mumani tukata mu rukundo tukeyendeza surprise nabi abeshonzwa kampani bari press conference engage in vision na bwana mu bantu we're making rehearsals, you know. Twatandikire niwe na Shami TV wese tuneki tukwenda tukureto witu twajanga beshobozo akamba bakora za rehearsals cameras zikazayo zikagabringa rehearsals ezo na beshongoza abandi. Why not in Western Uganda? Amachishita kutandika aha mukakora rehearsals
ate batugamba zoba zikora
kitandike Nikiri kitandike nawe nabalabana bireko tukore rehearsals tujye tukavaringe n'abayimbi abana bajye kubanga tujya kwera twimba CD shegede bana bonda barungi mu kuyimba urukoba nabo bajye bayimbe mu live music. So ibyo bugamena ngenda kora byo kace so kutwara ugo kotenochi ya person ugo mucyara ugo mwabena ugo mucyara ngenda batugambira ubugambo buce batugambire tikete nozifuno tabetebe kanisa bata ekintu bakinde batatugumeza
zina lubanyeta Gaga Kachende kandi nikira kweta Honorable Gaga Kachende kansara kandi acting chairperson organizing committee wa Nikirikembo live in concert. Na nishaba mutishogu kugamba ho bugambo buke obuna mbinire nka chairperson hamwe na committee yanje for which I have been taking part with obwire bwona. I want to take this first priority and opportunity to thank Western bloggers, music fraternity, Western bloggers, influencers, promoters, TikTokers, supporters, and well wishers. Mwebare mnonga abwo konaringa invitation yitu for the launch ya concert erikuza kubaho kwa kangayo kwa kane biro bitano. Ntitwari mutisho kubebaza kandi we cannot take you for granted. I call a vote of thanks to our sponsors, diehards and team Nikiri Kembo mwena nimbebaza munonga habwa omurimo muhango gumukozere kandi kurangwa at least you're pushing this concert kandi we have hope kugira ngo kwakwiko kwakanga okwakana ebiro bitano ekintu kikuba kyatagasire kandi twagire hope yo kugira ngo concert neza kuba successful. Seated with you in the audience are whole committee members ababasa kwizaha na nisha bamwemere mbanjure akireka cyo kugira ngo everyone will not speak for the moment. So committee members, you can stand for recognition. Better because we shall be holding other functions and events, follow up in every press conference before the concert. By inviting you come with a friend, you come in big numbers. Ekintu kitere kandi tugire amasuko kugira ngo concert neza kubaki neza kubera man. For those people that have known Nikiri Kembo well back, from the hit song of Natasha and other songs as Akoratine, you know that Nikiri is not, there is no worry about what Chara Akore on the concert day. He has performed and he has done most songs which are known and which are liked by people. Can be at least on Western music. Aine number. You cannot take Nikiri Kembo for granted. So, with the request of the fans, kujirangu abahaji na supporters and diehards, they have been yearning for this day, 5th of April 2025, as the main day kujirangu concert event where abaho, and the artist himself, he honored it. He had that, okay, I'm ready and I'm very ready. So kadeti, that is the day when we expect full energetic performance from Nikiri live in concert. Mwebare mnonga, mwebare buzuma. Bloggers, I want to take this opportunity to thank some people here. Bloggers, those interviews are part and crucial and we cannot take them for granted. You have hosted Nikiri Kembo on various interviews. Kande kumbe numweta showing up mubuza garika muje buzo byanyu. So every blogger who is in the building, a round of applause to you. We have bloggers. These are the Rugambo mates. For those people who have kept us in the limelight, kugira ngo Nikiri Kembo is not atakurugamba tugachi gabantu orugamboro na rubendo tukora in promotion and promoting the artists. Ni mumwe bari munonga. You can clap for them, the committee team members. We have Western musicians, Western artists. You're very, very, very grateful and surely we thank you and appreciate you so much. It's very rare kugira ngo wasa kweta cerebu wena, not even one but all Western celeb. It's very rare for a person to invite a celebrity kanda kuhanaringa invitation. But even this today is a launching day. Konka besho ngeza bitwesre, at least 50% they have showed up and turned up. We thank you so much. Mutaka turugambo bantu mwetu wadanu korugambwa. Push us up to the end and we promise you to turaba koreki, turaba hemere and the concert will be successful. We have the media personalities, Omeparumba TV presenters and the radio presenters. They have hosted Nikiri Kembo for various interviews and also promotion of the concert. We have the likes of MVP, we have Shami and other many more presenters around and in the building. We thank you so much. We have started in Wetu Atandika, Momhe interview, nyinji kandi. We shall also, when you invite us, we shall be there. We cannot take you for granted. You can go for the Western media personalities. We have those are the sponsors. We expect more sponsors on board. For the meantime, Nikiri Kembo, the main artist here to Gambera, sponsors up to our board. We have Tim Bakery, Field the Test, was the first one to come on board. We have Drinking Water, and Nawe Akiza board. We have many more people are coming on board, and we still want more. I hope we still want more. For anyone who knows any sponsor that can come on board, we have many selling packages of our concert. Na takwiza tuganire kandi abe part of us. We want more and we still welcome more. We thank you, our sponsors, and really you're doing a great work. Abitakaye Wenyuma also, the committee members, you have really done a good job, and really this is the start. Our success, the primary success of what we've been planning, because we have, for the past weeks, we have held 3 consecutive meetings, and what we had planned, and what we have planned, we have implemented. And first success, and let's keep planning and to implementing extra planning. Let's not leave any stone unattended.
Okay.
So I wanted na commitment sinche assurance yinyine ne kugira ngo me I myself I know Nikiri Kembo as someone who is going to make it, given the fact that he has always done it. Because in Western Uganda, me I myself I grew up dukura ebyeshongo byachi bya Nikiri Kembo way back. That is like 15 years ago. So if 15 years have passed and elapsed, and we are in an era where digital matters have even developed, I expect at least 50% of Nikiri Kembo's music with the Angovan Mbajimanya can be bajin. So I expect big numbers of people on 15th April 2025. Kandi nanye ahinye namasko omuri Nikiri Kembo no kugira ngo byeshongora byine kandi aza kubyeshongora. There are many songs from Natasha to the current song, because actually Jonathan Abisinga, but he has many more songs, and I expect, because Nikiri Kembo is a man, I expect full packaged performance and well stage management. For anyone who wants to come on board among the stars, you are very welcome. Our committee is too big and accommodative. You can come and be on board. And for any strategies of mobilization and promotion, we are MC Kanga back about the selling points. We are going to sell this concert basing on ticket selling, table, and sponsorship packages. The tickets will be combined of ordinary, VIP. That's like ordinary and VIP. Ordinary will be 10K, that is the general. Then the VIP will be 20K. Then we have the table package. The table package will be under platinum package and the gold package. The gold package will be 500,000. Then the platinum package that be 1 million. Then for the sponsorship package, if you want to be a sponsor, you just reach out to the committee or to the artist himself, Muganire, and then for anything about the concert, it's upon us, we the fans and the diehards. Mwebale mnonga kumpulitiza ninye kanakagamba gaga kachende, and I thank you for the interest, and I promise you for the success of Nikiri Kembo's live in concert.
Materenga Rosaman, thank you so much. Chairperson, thank you.
So mwebale mnonga bali aha ni
and it's good you can combine them all two.
Nanaja mwenyendi jogo enda kwetu wa
of course I can be representative too.
Okay, banyana banje barikundeba mwebale mnonga ne banyeta Council Amon 256 kandi brand ambassador wa Drink and Water aha Western Region. Amizaga na mizi maronji mnonga negakorwa omuri Gayaza Kampala. So for now amizaga gashikire omuri burenge bizoba ninga shomuri Western Uganda. Wano ogenda na mizi maronji enamba zese muzuruho kandi twine na store yitu eri wa Hansaba Spark. Dene chindi turiyaha erizoba twabasa kwantu gita team ninga share sponsorship team ya Nikiri Kembo live in concert eri kuza kuba ajipu motel. Nza supportinga next turabase tukaraganisa binje bitarabase konka koko muri kucimanya ngo rwe twizero market tuzakugezaho. Mitima abantu babizero market niba batari incase companies kwazi tuire mu konka tuzakugezaho. That's why rero turiyaha nyonka brand ambassador wa Drink and Water ni imbaragani sandu kubagambira ngo ntituzakwemerana Nikiri Kembo mpaka ahizoba yenyini. Dene chindi Nikiri Kembo nditumanya ngo musical gini umuntu twarakora concert
is my champion. So kuriabira tari Nikiri, maybe I wouldn't be here singing at this point. Yeah, he spotted that talent. Thank you so much.
Yes.
kamhereze flowers yachira hahurire so nimbeta mnonga mwena ba fans ba Pretty Imac Music nimbeta Moise Tagire champion Nikiri. He's been here byona bikoze ayeshongwire asportingire talent sinichimangu hine nabandi abakwasira mukono abinji oyireho nyowe so nimbashaba ekyanje no kubeta ngo Moise Tagire Nikiri twe so ahora shange post ya Nikiri repostinga aha TikTok repost it, give a like, share with your friends, use your accounts mwete ba fans banyu wowe nikuma kagita hikuma bananka ntija kweka ngatwa yijize omwanya ebero bitano bekwakana. Thank you so much, I love you. My name is Pretty Imac.
Mukubire engaleza manyi Pretty Imac kandi abo Steve niyo kandi esere nkora ku nkuba kika yawe right nali ngambe mbu performa munaffe naffe fenyini tusobola okugula tiketi ntumuwagire netuzuwa mikwano gyaffe ne bajja ne bawagire nze okusinga okutunda tebbe nnyingi naye ng'abantu bange tebanyumiddwa kubanga sirabye audience ng'erimu abantu tikikola makulu. Mbadde nsaba press conference naddako buli mwendo gwe tunayita niba ogula tiketi bbiri wali omuntu atasobola kujja naye nga tiketi asobola ogifuna nakola ki najja ffenna twetaaga bantu era nze Nikiri nagula tiketi 20 nze zange ate zange nzigula tiketi 20 ziwa boyi bange artist nja kusula enjala naye tujja mu university tujja wano ku Amaiba University hii tujja wano ku Ajipu tukuwagire kubanga Nikiri by the kambo ekyafo ekimu lwaki jaga Nikiri nze Nikiri twali mu big stars je nasobo kwatira omuzingano bwe nave wa dini kuna jero wa dini direct Nikiri ajanta hati nyine big stars twine muri lipone Edmax anabeshongoza abandi na shina hati nija naba official MC wa big stars Nikiri akaine kyeshonguru kyekiganyi twatera wona mwena tunanye na hindi tinde habi mwena atakire cyabiri batakulya zamani kandi cyo kubasa takutegereza nabandi mbona ino kusoga amashi tunakuyanja batunajanga weyanjoroza natuwande nemitwala kumikatwa weroza
ndaruka kabuyando mbatemi bembire ndichaya manu wabasinzi kakoba wabashukurani
ayocheza
mwasibaje banyeta baye y'umusinzi abangambe kinkari Nikiri nyo Nikiri kamanya ndi mu P7 physically fita kumanya media physically kamanya ndi mu P7
you're right Nikiri kuzire by the way
okumitinga physically kandi mu P7 bikushomera mbara parents bajya ngo Nikiri natira ko basta match kachika so kuzabeza bankeze cyatu bazakonda Nikiri ngai kachika unkati ni murondo mbara bikahinduka abasinzi mwe ahora mango ryo musinzi nyabuti kushabanya commandinga esha yake bironi bitano pakana okutire chikora abantu bazakuchikora na Nikiri kandi tuchibasa
mukubire ngalo musinzo wao kakoba jakuleta obuzibu soja
Nikiri nachi
nalo
amazina ni Prince Exit Kavurijo ogomushija nyono munywano wanje mnonga tutakatire na keshongoro ka challenge we knew each other long time back we were together mwino munywano wanje wa mutima ncokurebera ndya ninza twaraka kire kugambira beshongozi batahi banje ahibarohona abija n'abatija abajya gukora like tugezeho mnonga pushinga show ya Nikiri abo burkire kuturukora mu show yaba successful nchibanchi tesa HT kabeshongozi baburengera izo twokwe so abeshongozi pushing show ya Nikiri tujiteka status tujiteka platforms zitu ekintu tujiteka level kandi nyeta abantu bona barukagira Prince Exit Music ebirebyo byenyine ebiro 15 byo kwa kanaye ebiro 5 rather you come and support my soldier abo kwanikire nibinje byakorire music ya Burenge Bizoba nimukimanya ariyo mbantu akuru MCnje ya resere music ya Burenge Bizoba ya standing up twe mwe tumahagire twari turabaze kugira ngo shege yaba successful. I love you guys.
Imkubiri ngaliza mandi tusekeze.
Baby kani kwendeza nyaka Okampala wabibanja. My name is Simba GK, aka The One. Kana shimara mnonga kuriba kabarga. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for supporting me. Yes, wawe ne fan wa omuntu kukunda atine chomwire it's kabarga. Thank you for loving me, supporting my music. I'm grateful you came to this industry. Now, buri omwe anagambale Nikili alikuja munywanu wanje. Nikili is not my friend. Not like on a bad note. No. He's just a fellow artist. And I'm here because he gives hope. Mbo owire kubuhikanitwe. Twakombejere byaramwe rizoba. Turafuna abantu kimwe kwisha mukatahajara. So me personally, I am here to support the Western music. I am happy that oyiro abantu buwatanchire nabo oyemerire mashija wagumiza till today twisha twakushangaho ucyachitera samazing mu matere ngana n'kinshitara so nyowe specifically tindayeta bahadziwa because of yomwe yabere yoneza kweta beshongoze batahi bitu muje mahagire Nikili kukuja muje mahagire tunaja muje mweshongora kivuruki because ebe beshongoro byona byetaga kire kubuhurikiza tuine kumukakakora ki akeshongora mugure tickets tara byo kugira ngo nyonge mweshongozi the big brand nari makwisha mu muhesete mobile money yeyigwire back accounts zigwire no makuba matizire mu muhesete
ezo senta za junuse aziguze
yes because abahagize mbakwisha abeshongozo kwa himuri ni mbeta. Supporting a fellow artist does not mean you come and sing for them. Support them financially. Come also na inzagura tukuzagura tickets za abafans banje nizagura nyishitame na nyindebe ebyabantu nkaba ebaturamba kwa. So that's what I encourage other artists to do. Not every time they invite you on a show mboine kujokeshongora eje contribution because namanya kweshongora mumuhereze sete asigara mwe bari mnonga nasigara nye Simba GK
mwabahurura aza bari muri bisha bujya kero nakulumuka tulo no kura Simba GK
mwasibaje abantu mwe musibireje amagara ukurucho mwaka bwe kigamba cyebindi ebirono bina garabinde nona najenda manyensi ngisije konka twenda kubeta abantu mwe na amazina nabanyita Henry tukore mwamutakusheka tumwasheka ati so Kembo urunurje ruhango kandi ntukushabira ngo rabe muje ito turiye nyuma yawe kora ryeyo ni twentuzo mishoga honatko nije tagire Kembo bantu wowe umutwaro wowe nebiri wowe netano aho korata conference korata tikunda koraganisa niza kubandia ekinda akore kiza kubakiriya nebaye no
kandi nago mato twire okuta concert ni nyoni bani buhurumba ato nibadi ya ground sinyo kusenga Nikili sinyo Nikili ina ba Dr. Tolobani gwa mulabako sinyo badekani ne makidizo mati abamanya bawulya bulizo taba legend okay nje matero mugoroza bana besho nguzabisha kushajika kananye ombigabo bya Simba nyenda katika mukache ndubasa kuba turukubi takaterire konka bobo ine subi buli kimu kisoboka esubi omuntu atalina subi abalinga omuntu afudde nembo oba ne subi buli kintu kisoboka esubi etusindika we tutasubira bisoboka ate ne kisoboka twankire engineer Jovan owami Ishoge ayeba okay ni ati yegita beshobozi batayiba kongera iraka iriyo kwita abantu ahandi ngambire kirakora te
wabaye mnonga MC Shukran ndiyaha nka engineer Jovan owebishobiye wa National Water Jovanist Entertainment eta abantu banakuza kusupportinga legend kandi Tatento kandi murumuna wanje Nikli ni mchizeni yako kakantana kumuntu akantanga umundongo so ni mheshti nesa Western Champ kanyuka hora Natasha kiriyo mukomo rutoki ni temurumwe tandukoma so anyway Nikli no muntu mukuru ahubwo kuzere so nicyo kwitara Tatento ni kwishti nesa kandi ne kugira ngo umwe mwije supporting Nikli kandi kitande cyarahariwe nangwe no nyewe nijanye iteka tekere supportinga aho kutaro kwishongora cyonka
nicyo nkundira nyewe nanavuga mbere atagatiye namanyaze namanji amazi gabuze katete katugambe wowe cyane
so mwene kwija
amazi gabuze katete munnaye tekati bingi ya murama olaba press conference
batakamba nakwe binyanya byongaza tukanabukobe etine kweberera mukabeshongoza hatu kwaja mukanda abantu barite sente tutakutereza bo miza kutanka takutereza
ngaboliyo baza utakubala
nikiro tamara insente chakarana bahomba za ishomero
kubirenganiza
baza gukora kansara sorting abandi so sorting abandi nikiri so kama we supporting Nikli Kembo na Western Champ kandi twene kuba ikintu cyetangira twashiteka mamani so nimbamanyisa mwera mwanyinza ku bantu ho wherever you are we come and support each other ikintu kibonesha gendo mission. I'm signing out as Engineer Jovan, CEO Jovanistic Entertainment.
Thank you so much Engineer Jovan. Aza mwana otereza byoma to hakushashura balance ntugambe muzindani gurukera neki what's the problem eko umwana nangu muteregereza mani Engineer Jovan wizaje hatecho nchona ningamba mukubanza katezo ticket 30 confirmed babale bitabatandikidde nikitoyeza zikwataka aganyamu tosobola kulyako na kikome bano biwalese bano ojja kakasa hati njabeshongozi bawayo amaraka gamagahurira kwakira abantu nana of course nanitwe tunekweta banani bitu tukija tukehagira kandi tukekunda kandi abo nyoye nyine shozi birati zintegerize amati ndegerize ya exit tukajukora ko nkira na intona tujigarkemo kingamanto inabataracenge abakinora abana ba Kampala bingi hati epase ne muhuri music neberu inabakujukunda tekore mumoga tugaruke tubaye sente abandi talents nuje munonga kungubanyiba twino kubongera mu sente ne tubongera mu amanyi abayimbi wa fentaso akubalaba ngate badda wansi ngate tulina obusobozi ate tulina amanyi buli muntu aliwo na inesu sima ate liko TikTok boteka ulimba lwa mati obachi boteka requisite obachi echi chatandise butandisi twabadde wama chatandise butandisi chokola bangambe ne rehearsals mumba na tubadde tetuzikola netwagiza okola nga rehearsals zine ekintu kyezigata kuki ku show ekyatunda show ya King Sir siba yindi rehearsals tebajja buli afunanga akadde n'ayitayo nabako kyayongerako wano tulina okukyusa generation ife gye tulimu okwawukanako n'ebikadde so njagata eddoboozi yange mpita nikiri atugambe buyetege
tubadde tusaba okuweereza okuva
MV ate agenda kujja mu bibuuzo inokusina anakwe baati katube tuluggwa jangu taata oyogere nawe adaga ina akasente kaffe
amazina ndibanyita DJ Inox Mr. White Pate kandi kiri nabeshongoza babyaha na ba bloggers mwena n'abashemererwa kuja kusupportinga muganda wanje nikiri tumanye n'obwire bulingwa ebitukozere ni bingi ebitakabuze nitija bikora konka ekingabire ninshaba obwire obwingi ngabe ninshaba ngu ba bloggers na abantu bana bakwategine na music industry at least it's high time kuhindura mu nkora yitu kanikiri aine chivuro I don't see the reason why he should pay DJ Enox to work for him can't do not your industry because I know his time na ine chivuro nikiri nabasa kumbera ya ine chivuro nimbasa kumbera kandi ekindi ekitukuza kukora nikiri ninza kugambaho naba Western DJs podium at least bakwete oija podium ya DJ eriho over 50 people obashabe bije bakusupporting because last time nyokuzo mchivuro cha tipo I performed for free. I again paid tickets. I paid tickets when I was entering. I paid for them. So tuine kuhindura mu nkora tuine kusupporting abanywani bitu yes nabasa kuba kushashurire kupushinga chivuro che konga wika muryango kagura ticket mostly abantu abakuteka ibivuro manyeti ndetse kusinga yo kugumana chivuro kongo muntu chivuro che kuba successful nabo amani gitu so ngabere nisha wangu twantuza ajip nobo kuboli blogger oli DJ wano hikaha muryango shashura ho mutwaro nono supporting amnywani wawe
kandi abaje nabayo muno gamba bakwiko mukashe bakapostinga ngucaganye tahire na 10
kandi chindi ngabe nisha bangu yes twena ntukunda gukora makuru konka lekaga makuru ga feri ya tugareke watireba because atkoli mko kapostinga nikiri ngushoye yanjire aba kampara ni ba underrating true watireba so nobwe chicho kwanga teka yo congratulations nikiri because kola teka yo congratulations nikiri aba kampara ni bate because ebintu nibitambura ni babareba ni rakabalega no chimanya one day naitwa bile tuli ni watize mbeni kuri roja kandi bakumanya so ebintu nibitambura munonga so nikiri timanya event yawe niza kubandihwa for free acroda tables kansara munara nona kansara amundi twakana tutegwa ku doctor tables at least zikwika kitano mbanta butwini then chindi nanyekanye niza kura tickets 10 z'abantu just zikabe bugabo mwebali mnonga kokale ka supporting nikiri lekat ekinde sina nayo ebirabi na mukaga byo kwa kabiri tuinoho White Panther shooters kandi mbeta mwena mwije ekinkumanya they won't allow all the artists to perform konka that event is before your event so na nishaba muleke tuije tuza shooters nikiri will be the only artist to perform abenshonga ngenda tumukoro that activation kugira ngo tumuhereza amani minji kugira ngo yakiko mu kivuro cye tubere ine kitumugisira yito kabantu mwebali mnono
tonka ntakushazire kirimi ora obudo obutono nikira izo obutayimba tujja batumusuta soda ayizo obutayimba obudde babuse kitufu ajja kujja timu ejja kujja tujja yitirayo timu tujja kuyitayo tulabe nenga mukubire ngaliza amanyi Enox yagamba points nungi munonga kandi bya ebyira tibyo bya hati itoba ruo tubasa kutereza wakireba kubanga n'abantu b'Ekampala batutya omukyalo nomupira akati batuleni n'oli omukulu atwabire ba manager batuli
ashitameso kotai abali
siro talo toleta buzibu Enox washemeza wabugamba abantu bakukyera mukasheshe sho yaganye kyaganye baba kyamutuddemu nenga tuwasasudde adde omutwalo naye gwakyogera tonnabadde kolako ka birthday noyita ka birthday kabantu mukaaga just akakola akatonotono naye katutwogera bino nikiri amanyi watudde ngenaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi ogwokutaano ekikyonki kyankola live experience season 2 tugenda Masaka towakana tugenda Masaka tujja kuba tulina Eddie Kenzo King Saha Tony Bazira ne Suna Ben okubagamba amazima King Saha Samuwadi na 10 mbaziira tone ne sonna bbeeyi saabuwadde na 10 kubanga mikwano gyange mbabeereramu nabo bagenda kumbeereramu. Ekyo nange njagala tukigezaako tukitandika wano kisoboka. Tudawandiki wali omuntu agala linda katono chairman notayogera lugwawe ale totoleta
nekwiza koze ndikiri manyira kile kalingwa at least ndio mu bantu bamusupporting from day one. Kurabiro bintu bingi ari emusombe mansoro bandiyo
chobora abantu abakuru bayita ku mukoro
so nikiri turabiro umuntu abanyingi shows zanje tukuzaza mwizo mu kiro nikiri ariho muza karaoke nikiri ariho so nikiri ntire nawo buri so kari mu VP shime bwana han koreye of course abarenga ambuze kugira ngo abwaci nikiri na ejo majipu mweba ujya ngo abwaci na ejo majipu n'abantu abijiro muri mbara recently because nikiri yarakoze kivuro aha Lake View nkabandiho nikiri yarakoze kivura the boss nkabandiho so basically abantu bakwambagambe ibintu mbembe informed about ebintu bimwe so nikiri n'umutura wambara twiro muri mbara kuya waruga busoga oguza chapat right kuba twiro muri mbara for long Daniel Busoro wakumutira so kino kumusupportinga kona n'abantu bakutambuza injiri byabadembe nyine issue andoja ngo abwachi omega agire rugoko nabagira ndato mwana kulire kakoba aizo majipu aine kuzachi waruje ishaka nwaine kuzachi mero university yin akatani kiraje pa so nuko tushimye kutambuza kintu so basically ale dan ana America distance warugambara nana yechera Kampala so wargisha kana kubanza majipu nari university yin kwena ngo kintu kitambure so na nebyo bice mwere kusupportinga music ya Western Uganda nyowe ni mbaso utateka musente aho kwanyu obiro winjine banyeta mu college akoze chimba kolire it's enough but nyongo mu private enza kwa nkoko na facilitate ina kuri kintu cya successful otherwise never region kana okuita omuntu gwe mukulanganye mu myaka tabika ka kuba bukubi tukimanyi gwe nikiri mweka n'emyaka naye nga mukulu muno inabyo ino kubikako wakabale koso tatistika yani mulu otapo yo mojoaje toza kujigana itu ajihire haji asile vasiete ni wabandize baida we mumukubire ngale zamanyi kabali gakole ekivulu ali kusire naliwo atama tunibanyumirwa abantu basanyuka oyatunda omwenge shayi omane banne twakuba balance ya chabuzi alright akonara nakalabo mu ishengero
bring another new fund aside ya nikiri obyata kumanya ekindi nyowe ndi CEO ninga ningora echo kunya cyabwe nakora sibomanya umurimbara abasubireho bona kwiha 2020 embagazanye mbere nimbahereza wayini eboniye nikiri noza kungambera tables zo ku expecting aninge zora boyine then nako baro discount 50% discount abote ya wayini erabedi aha table akivura aha
so amazina ni Brother Stocks acha tukutumanye hicho tulio waje yongera so I'm here for Nikli igito tumanya toto yakaba biri tukagambira inga tubirekera so nimaza kusima all the bloggers abijanu ya abakera n'abakerero and of course abuyomo wena all in support for what Nikli is doing izima beshongozi right from Martin Ray to the extreme end mwebali munonga kusupport ngo mushija wanyu all controversial but still chine yaba kugeraki kandi wacha matuna ni ngamburu rumu kuna bali ngamburu Spanish so tindagambe byinji ebyasigara tuzakweshanga mukutugumwe na mukumahi
Benzini gambo kache
spokesperson wa Western Uganda Bloggers Association. First of all, I'm happy to see this happening and nyenda kusima beshongozi mwena awo kwemerera ho mweshongozi nomanya orukiiko rw'embuzi washanga mentama hatari membuzi nebikubuzabuza konka ati nyokuri naretwari nkashanga hata asitameho DJ MC hatari obeshongozi nani ngumiza mtoroko I wouldn't stand here but nyowe ninjana batayi banje on behalf of my fellow bloggers and influencers we shall stand with Unique 3 in any way ntuzakora wewe bari kusima ntuzakora ekitwinekora and nomanya turi binja bakweta ba influencers konka turi abantu bacha bari influential so omwintu byabihwa ba social media marketeers but for us we shall do the needful to get returns from this show. Thank you very much. Nejesha ndemuneza seti inabakunyenda murani very fast temeri mekanyiri
abashabo bakaba busy aha ndateka
kandi kamushahabati road mayor atwiriho numanya nubarabe abiri naija konka abantu batakumuhereza nisho konka this time around nani shaba if you can see him Rusi ni manyongo yono chikora nyakayisho I know you ni kumanya ho kwata chikuru mnono dekati kunde honorable kamjisha abati tine ho kumweta akabura kwisha takajiri munte konkana amanyabanga no muntu wabantu aina kantu kobuntu you know what it means nyo akija one day he surprised me a Lake View 2019 umeza zina bentebe kanise nkareba tai pa yashamanje ashikamusha nohaya munyetera understand umuntu kushanga kuyagire kumwe amabira ati nyoni klinka kunda kale no wabo takumanya you know what it means konka nyonga ni mureba ko umuntu muzibokikira konka kuna mukirire is the very easiest person on this planet as can I never can ko umuntu mutima gwe that's why mweni ni meya road meni kuna mnonga kandi ni kudaganisa mwiza kwa raho mubiri obanichi niza kubande niwe umuntu kimwe cyono I will love you so much and I'm looking forward to support you in whatever.
Okay, thank you so much. Musase rache na njia mkoro side za harwe nga program ngejine na ngweno mungi amasimu niza no ku Mandela kinabana bategere so musase kuchera konka usare Yusi ati umucharo besinzi birisi ngena anti mama ninje dati yana tera Bibu no wa Sego mungara buzara So honorable kure umunarika kuri yaga akija ajena y'urukundo umumena bariya no bare kunda niwe ni cyane tanyi nizo kusapotinga cyane kintu cyane Angezana yazibe Ndiye nemo atende mezana yazibe So, timu ya tiketi wanzo kuzaa wani yenda zikara watu wazi. Abunda yende. Yes. Rusi ni huko mabora aseyiza mzi. So, tuko ndagamba bingi. Mweba yende jaro shiri mwamu mukendera. So, iteme nza kujibora timu manyabunda stamina na watu wangai. Bonka. Watu watano kunda hure na ajira munanga imbasagura ya kabiri. Tumisha tuwaiku na wada tumisha. Tumisha tuwaiku na wada. Tusista Meia barra dele. Western Bloggers. Anakuzeya atiri mwana.
tickets ruzi niyo kumanya moraze akonyura bimeze kana ni mashaba ticket kandi ni kugaragaza mu byo kubona nubwo kandi mubare kugira igihe tubite yo ni girinka muri batakabeza mu shongoza no kutaje go oka tare tworoji no gine ite uya there support you ese nachukora nk'umunya Uganda ninga nk'umunya Rwanda oka mu jamu ni meya agabe ni kuri cikira okageze gaha Burundo muza ko bambere wabarosi I want to thank you so much. Habara gare, habara gahiha, ukamuwa supportinga, and this one was